and further the acting municipal manager, Mematlala, and your beautiful team. Yabashumi, sometimes I don't see you in offices. Today I can see you. You are very nice. Really, you are very nice. Now today, the more I can see that this institution, you are very much handsome, you are very beautiful. And also let me start by saying, indeed, we will continue telling a good story. We will continue telling a good story that firstly, as District Capricorn Municipality, we're going to make sure that we contribute to our economy immensely, especially by supporting SMMEs. In one of the countries in the world, Indonesia in particular, its economy, the contribution of SMMEs contribute 51% of their economic growth. Now therefore, we can't fail as a district to make sure the company we give them support through the big companies. And the big companies also must strive to support the small companies in order to make sure that our economy grows. Now therefore, I'm very much pleased today, especially as we move forward to make sure that we work as one on disaster and emergency. Our Bizoso and Tatemkabi. We are still going to make sure that we join hands with Polokwane municipality. We take over as a district emergency services. And our guys who are dealing with emergency services now must prepare for that. That will be taking over the emergency services of Polokwane in order for us to respond to our people, those that are in the rural masses. The task, the ANC-led government, we are pro-poor and the working class. And therefore, we're going to make sure that the people in the rural areas of our country get services like those who are staying in Vergelegen, who are staying in Bendo and other lily suburbs in our area. And therefore, I'm pleased to hand over the TLB. This TLB will be deployed to Blouberg. It's going to assist says Basan. I need the driver of this TLB. I can't turn a quantum. I can't turn a makwafa. Or a skanka makwafa, this is TLB. I hope the driver and it will go to Blouberg municipality to assist Kamo operation and maintenance. And we've got also about 4 this emergency vehicles still in Bonambo. Already am bus palen kaufela arena ifo ke agana mole le pellen kumpile Blouberg. Already ka be di thusha in response of disaster and other emergency issues tse di tla be di nyaka re respond ka pele. And also I learned, where is that signal? Yeah, automatic. Is that side? Kiona Eliona Itabe Yamo operation and maintenance. Says Basan. Hi, Ukumile today. But make sure that all these vehicles, because our communities, Babulela, Balibona, Helilo, Ocheka, you know, understand, Ocheka. I'm saying it openly here. For please, these vehicles, it's Anjo Bereka, Asichao Reka di Piri, Chao ya bottle store, ba le bona badudi ene le re direla dilo tša fase ge le tšea dikoloi tše tša bona le ya mabjaleng ka tšone ebile le ile go bona dikgaetšedi tša rena ka tšone tše ke tša mošomo wa setšhaba ka ge re ikemišeditše go šoma le setšhaba. Now therefore I'm pleased to hand over these vehicles to our employees for take care of these vehicles who are indebted into the people of South Africa and the district to do better for them. And I think we are indeed aiding in the statement of our President Jacob Zuma to say we will continue telling a good story until we go for elections as the ANC-led government. Thank you very much.